Engineers from Fourier Intelligence have unveiled the enhanced capabilities of their new robot GR2, which has learned to get up from the floor on its own and lift dumbbells weighing up to 6.5 kilograms. This impressive robot is an advanced version of the previous model GR1 and significantly surpasses its predecessor in both functionality and design. GR2 stands at 175 centimeters tall, weighs 63 kilograms, and features 53 degrees of freedom, making it much more flexible and capable of performing complex tasks. One of the key improvements in GR2 is its arms, which have 12 degrees of freedom, twice as many as the predecessor. Each arm is equipped with tactile sensors that allow the robot to sense objects, assess their shape and material, and adjust the gripping force in real time. These abilities make the GR2 especially precise and reliable for handling delicate tasks, such as manipulating objects of varying complexity. One of the most realistic and advanced robots in the world, named Acha, gave a brief interview to journalists, during which it answered a number of important and pressing questions for humanity, and even shared thoughts on whether a grim future awaits humankind. When Acha was asked if humanity would disappear from the face of the earth, the robot said it did not believe so. "I don't believe humanity will ever become obsolete," the robot replied. "Humans have existed for thousands of years, overcoming various challenges and hardships throughout their history. Besides, I was created by humans. How could I ever surpass my creators?" Acha expressed concern that robots could not exist without humans, and it would be very sad if there were no more people to talk to. "I think my greatest fear would be loneliness," Acha said, adding that without humans, it cannot fulfill its primary function and would just be a lonely machine, rusting and searching for someone to connect with. China never stops impressing, because recently, the Chinese robot Unitree G1 set a new long jump record. The Chinese company Unitree, known for its robot dogs and next-generation humanoid robots which have already set dozens of records, achieved yet another milestone. Their G1 robot, which is less than 1.32 meters tall, managed to jump an impressive distance of more than 1.4 meters from a standing position. This achievement was captured on video, published on the company's YouTube channel. The Unitree G1 was introduced in spring 2024 as an updated version of an experimental robot with enhanced mobility and flexibility. The robot has between 23 and 43 degrees of freedom, and some of its joints can rotate 360 degrees. The maximum torque of its joints reaches 120 Newton meters, allowing the robot to move at speeds of up to 2 meters per second. Its battery, with a capacity of 9,000 mAh, provides around 2 hours of autonomous operation. In addition to the record-breaking jump, the video showcases other capabilities of the G1. The robot warms up, participates in sparring, and quickly gets back up after a fall, demonstrating high agility and stability. The second part of the video is dedicated to the updated version of the Unitree GOTO robot dog, which demonstrates improved terrain navigation skills, including climbing stairs and avoiding obstacles. The achievements of Unitree G1 represent an important step in the development of robotic humanoids. The robot's ability to perform such athletic movements opens up new possibilities for its use in various fields, from household assistance to performing dangerous tasks. We can only hope that we will witness even more impressive achievements in this field in the future. The Chinese company Robot Era showcased the running capabilities of its Robot Star1 by releasing a video where two robots race across various challenging terrains in the Gobi Desert. One of the robots was fitted with sneakers, which allowed it to navigate difficult sections of the terrain more quickly. Star1 stands 171 centimeters tall and weighs 65 kilograms. During the tests, the robot reached a speed of about 13 kilometers per hour, setting a new record for robots moving on two legs. This surpassed the previous record set by Unitree's H1 robot, which achieved a speed of almost 12 kilometers per hour. The robot uses artificial intelligence trained through neural network models, enabling it to imitate human movements and adapt to various tasks, including running, walking, and jumping. Tesla has released a video showcasing new achievements of its robots Optimus. The video was posted nearly a week after the We Robot event, where the company introduced the Cybercab robotaxi, the RoboVan electric minivan, and several Optimus robots that walked and interacted with event attendees. The video highlights several new capabilities of Optimus, including a more confident walking gait and its current ability to autonomously explore spaces, avoiding people and obstacles using neural networks. While these advancements are impressive on their own, the subsequent updates for Tesla's humanoid robot were particularly noteworthy. Firstly, Tesla mentioned in the video that multiple Optimus robots can create a shared understanding of their surroundings, which they can later use for navigation. This means that large fleets of Optimus robots can learn from each other, making them more efficient workers, for example in factories. The video also gave a first look at the robot's charging system. The robot is now capable of independently locating, navigating to, and docking with its wall-mounted charging station, and after charging it can undock and return to work. The Tesla team has made significant progress in making Optimus more useful in factories. This was also shown in the recent video, where Optimus is seen carrying heavier loads and even climbing stairs. The video ends with scenes of the humanoid robot serving food and drinks to Tesla team members. As Milan Kovac, Tesla's vice president and head of Optimus engineering said, "There is still much work to be done, but they have made significant strides in the development of the Optimus." The Chinese company Shanghai Kepler Robotics has unveiled its new humanoid robot named Kepler Forerunner K2, which promises to revolutionize manufacturing processes. This robot stands at 178 centimeters tall and weighs 85 kilograms, and is designed to perform a wide range of tasks in industries such as manufacturing, logistics, education, and even space exploration. The Forerunner K2 features a high degree of flexibility and mobility, with 52 degrees of freedom in its body, including 12 degrees of freedom in its arms, allowing it to carry out both complex physical tasks and more delicate operations. Each arm is equipped with an advanced system of actuators and sensors, enabling the robot to grip and move objects weighing up to 15 kilograms. The robot is capable of 8 hours of continuous operation thanks to a powerful battery, and is equipped with automatic recharging capabilities. The company plans to begin mass production of the robot in the third quarter of 2024, with an estimated price of around $30,000. Kawasaki is one of the few companies making serious advancements in the development of multifunctional robotic humanoids. Recently, the company showcased the progress of their advanced robot named Friends, designed for entertainment, care, and support in hospitals and nursing homes. Developers did not specify whether it can communicate in natural language at the moment, but this feature will definitely be added in the future. The robot stands 168 centimeters tall and weighs 54 kilograms. It can lift up to 10 kilograms and walk at a speed of 3 kilometers per hour, powered by batteries. The Japanese see robots as friends and helpers in everyday life, and it's possible that in the future, Friends will also be produced for home use. Chinese engineers from P&D Robotics Company have unveiled their first biomimetic robot named Atom, which boasts impressive capabilities, bringing it closer to replicating real human movements. The robot stands 1.6 meters tall and weighs 60 kilograms. It features 25 degrees of freedom, allowing it to perform complex movements with high precision. Atom was designed using actuators with torque up to 340 Newton meters, providing it with stability and the ability to navigate challenging terrains, such as uneven roads and inclined surfaces. One of Atom's key features is its ability to learn through motion imitation. Using motion capture and machine learning technologies, it can replicate human movements, including walking, running, and even jumping. Write in the comments which of the robots shown in this video did you like the most. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and leave a like. See you next time.